Hey guys, and welcome. This is the Clear English Corner, and I'm Keenyn, your personal American English pronunciation coach. If this is the first time you have found the channel, we're talking about all things American English pronunciation. So if this is something you're looking to perfect, be sure to subscribe by pressing that little red button over here and tap the bell so that you'll receive notification anytime a new pronunciation lesson is published. So in this lesson, we're talking about 10 common words that are often mispronounced by non-native speakers. Each of the words we're going to look at today is pronounced with fewer syllables than it looks like it should have. So the typical pronunciation is different from what you might think it should sound like based on the written word. All right, number one, family, family. I know that letter I in the middle there makes it look like it should be family, but a native speaker gives this word 2 syllables, family. Emphasis on the first syllable and the a vowel sound, family. My family. I spent the weekend with my family. Number 2, every, not every, every. 2 syllables, emphasis on the first syllable and the e vowel sound. Every, every, every day. I see her every day. Number 3, different, different. I know it looks like it should be different, but only 2 syllables here. Emphasis on the first syllable and the I vowel sound. Different, different, something different. Let's try something different. Number 4, business, business, not business, 2 syllables, business. Emphasis on the first syllable and the I vowel sound, business. Your business. It's none of your business. Number 5, several, several, not several, 2 syllables, emphasis on the vowel sound e in the first syllable, several, several hours. It's already been several hours. Number 6, interest, interest, not interest, interest. With emphasis on the first syllable and the vowel sound I. Interest. No interest. I have no interest in that. So of course this also impacts the pronunciation of interesting and interested. Interesting, 3 syllables. Interested, 3 syllables again. Not interesting or interested. Interesting, very interesting. That's very interesting. Interested, not interested. I'm really not interested. Number 7, evening, evening, not evening, evening. 2 syllables with emphasis on the vowel sound E in the first syllable. Evening, good evening. Have a good evening. Number 8, average, average, not average, average, with emphasis on the first syllable and the vowel sound a, average, above average. That's well above average. Number 9, favorite, favorite, not favorite, favorite. Again, 2 syllables here with emphasis on the A sound in the first syllable. Favorite. My favorite. That's my favorite movie. And last but not least, how do we say this word? Wednesday? This word again is only 2 syllables. Wednesday. Wednesday. Emphasis on the E sound in the first syllable. Wednesday. I know this can still be a tricky word to pronounce. A little tip, Think about it as if it's spelled Whensday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday night. I'll see you Wednesday night. So there you have it, 10 very common, frequently mispronounced words. I hope you found it interesting to learn several different everyday words that aren't pronounced the way you might expect. If you enjoyed the lesson, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and share the lesson with your friends. Here's a few more lessons that you may find really helpful. Check out this video to learn about 25 of the most common words that reduce in English. Take some time to watch this lesson to learn all about the schwa, which is the most common sound in the English language. And finally, I can help you with that tricky American R sound. Be sure to check out this series here. As always, thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.